Does your business owe Texas franchise tax? Let's take a look in this edition of Tax Tips by TurboTax. The Texas franchise tax is a state tax imposed for the privilege of doing business in Texas. Unlike income tax, it's based on your business's taxable margin, not your net income. Most entities operating in Texas may be subject to the franchise tax, including corporations, LLCs, S corporations, many partnerships, trusts, and even some out-of-state businesses with operations in Texas. But who doesn't pay the Texas franchise tax? Entities generally exempt from the franchise tax include sole proprietorships, general partnerships where all partners are natural persons, nonprofit organizations with certain exemptions, certain passive entities, and entities with annualized total revenue below the no tax due threshold. The no tax due threshold is the annual total revenue level that indicates which businesses owe no Texas franchise tax. For report years 2026 and 2027, businesses with annual revenue below $2.65 million generally owe no Texas franchise tax. However, many businesses below that threshold still need to file an information report with the Texas Comptroller. So how is Texas franchise tax calculated? First, you determine your taxable margin. Businesses compare a few different calculation methods and use whichever results in the lowest amount. Then, you apply the tax rate. Most businesses pay 0.75% of their taxable margin. Retail and wholesale businesses generally qualify for a lower 0.375% rate. Eligible businesses with $20 million or less in annual revenue may choose the EZ Computation Method, which applies a 0.331% tax rate to total revenue instead of calculating taxable margin. So a business with $5 million in total revenue would owe $16,550. The good news? Texas franchise taxes are generally deductible as a business expense on your federal tax return. TurboTax can help you understand your Texas franchise tax obligations and calculate what you owe. Visit TurboTax.com for more info to help you file your taxes with confidence.